Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Michael.
And I'm Heidi, and we're Mouse House Pins. So today we're gonna open pin mail, and we are getting ready to move to Orlando in 5 days. So we're gonna take you on our journey with us to Orlando, as we understand 1,000 people a week move to Orlando.
Wow. Okay.
It's a lot, huh? All right, everyone, we're gonna move into our first package. Crossed out all the names. Ooh, yay!
Oh, it looks like some more mystery boxes.
I love mystery boxes.
I'm not sure if these came from Hot Topic or where they came from, but pretty much you can get these at Hot Topic, Box Lunch.
All right.
That's all of them in there?
So do you want to...
How many do we have? We got 4 of one. Looks like 7 in another. So let's start with the 4. Let me see here what this is. So this one here is some princesses. Looks like it's Belle, Jasmine, Tiana, Ariel, Pocahontas, and Cinderella. Well, that's a good chase. Good mixture.
All right. Fun.
The first one is Tiana.
Look how beautiful those are.
Oh, it looks pretty. Looks like it's like not quite a stained glass, but it's pretty green. You can see right through it.
Gorgeous. I love it. It's Mulan.
Mulan. They sure did make these pretty.
There you are.
Nice and smooth. Like glass. Ariel. You get some good ones. Ariel. And the last one of this set. Come on, Cinderella.
Looks like we got another Tiana.
Oh, you got another Tiana. That's nice. It gives you another one to put in your book.
Awesome.
And what are these? These look like the little drinks.
Are they sodas?
I don't know. Let me see one. I'll go ahead and open that one. I'll see who's in the... We got Chip, Dell, Minnie, Goofy, Donald, Daisy, Pluto. So there's 8 different ones to get in this collection.
Oh, they're big. Not bigger than I thought.
Ooh, that's nice. Who's that? Daisy Duck. There we go. And who do we get? Pluto.
It's like a baby Pluto.
Oh, Pluto down. Let's see here. Pluto.
Aww.
Looks
Is
like
that
Chip.
Chip and Dale? Or...
There's Chip.
That's Chip?
Dale's got the red nose. Chip. So they all have, one has a lime, one has an apple, one has grapes.
So adorable. Look how cute.
And then we got Donald. Hold it there so we can see it. Let's see
Okay.
what you got. Another Daisy.
Cute. Come on, someone different. Is that Mickey?
It looks like Mickey Mouse.
Aww.
So we've got Mickey.
One more? Oh no, one more.
One more. And let's get Dell or Minnie. Or not.
I go for Minnie. Come on, Minnie.
These are nice to have. Pluto.
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 So
It's nice to
cute.
have to trade other people in the park that are looking to complete their set when you have doubles like this. So we got 2 Daisies and 2 Plutos. A Mickey. And a Chip. Cool.
Cute. Moving on.
Moving on.
right. This one's thick packaging.
Ooh, paper.
Looks like a big pin. Aww. Who is this, honey?
That's from the Gumby Bears, I'm pretty sure. See,
So big.
nice and sparkly. I think it's
Nice.
a Imagineering Limited Edition 300.
Oh,
Oh, and another one.
that's cute.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this pink package. That just screams. This
Pink?
is for Heidi.
And today, Heidi got me an early birthday present, so she went out and got me a Stitch shirt. Oh, a package in a package,
So we could match.
so we can match. And look very stitchy. You can see her beautiful. Looks like a 4th of July stitch. Ooh,
All right, honey.
what do we got here? There's a box with 3
Do
pins
we
on it.
have here?
Who?
2016, The Princesses?
Let's see.
Sorry.
Looks like a castle with the 5 princesses on it.
2016.
Oh. Another one with, looks like Mickey and Goofy and Pluto. And looks like Mickey and Minnie kissing. Oh. And what could be in the box? What could it be?
Oh my.
That looks like,
Do you want me to open it?
Nightmare Before Christmas.
Got Jack. You know their names
What's
better
it say?
than me.
30 years of anniversary on the top.
Yep.
Disney pins. It's a limited edition.
Gosh, that's
Flip it
beautiful.
over. And it should say limited
Edition.
edition 4250. Nightmare Before Christmas does these weird off numbers. Just, I think they just do it to be different.
Look at this coffin case.
So it's a coffin case.
And this lock.
It looks like you got Jack up there, the mayor, and then Lock, Shock, and Barrel at the bottom. Cool.
Ah, I love it, babe. It's so adorable. All right. Moving on.
Moving on.
Moving on. Ooh, it's another big one. Ooh,
Ooh,
what are these?
that looks like a Mickey Mouse Club. I think there's 4 or 5 pins in each pack. And let's look at the back one so we can go ahead and open that. I'll see. So the different characters you can get. These were originally $40 a pack. There's 16 in the collection. And I'm pretty sure these came out this year. And they're the Mickey Mouse Club pins. So let's see who we can get. So the first one looks like Ranger Woodlord. Pretty sure who that is. Ranger. Let's look at
I know this one.
let's see. Who's
This
that?
is Clarabelle. Clarabelle Cow.
Cow, yep.
She's so sweet. I have
Well, we
watched
got the 2 hard ones out of the way.
hours and hours
Oh, they're all individually wrapped inside too.
with the kiddos when they were little.
Talk about a,
Mickey Mouse Club.
and we all know who that is from Dumbo. Timothy Mouse.
Timothy. Looky here.
Oh, and then the main pin says Mickey Mouse Club on it.
Cute.
I just thought these would be great. Ooh, that's a nice reflection. They got the little crystal in it for the new pins. And then that is Morty Mouse, I'm pretty sure.
Morty Mouse.
Morty Mouse. I think if you've heard me before, I probably get about 1 out of 5 right. So I'm pretty sure that's Morty Mouse, though.
I would
Every
not.
once in a while, I get them right.
No, not
So there was 4 in that pack or 5?
5.
5.
We're on to
So
the
we don't
new
have any dupes yet. Usually you don't get dupes in the first package. And then that is horse collar? Horse
Horse?
collar? I just probably butchered that name. People that are fans are like, you know who that is? And the next one looks like
Adorable.
Goofy,
Goofy.
playing instruments. Ooh, my favorite, Scrooge McDuck. That'll be one that goes in my collection. With all my 5 Scrooge McDuck pins. Anybody who collects Scrooge McDuck knows how hard they are to find. And looks like, who's that? Jimmy Cricket?
Jiminy Cricket. I was like, the conscience.
The you know, the little cricket bug guy. So there's 16 in this collection. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 so far. Well, we got Mickey Mouse, the band leader.
We're doing
We're
good
doing pretty
so far.
good. We're on our 3rd pack now. This is when it starts getting more difficult. Anybody who knows that's chasing these pins or any other mystery pack, you're just looking and looking and looking.
We got a duplicate.
There's your first one. As soon as you bring it up, it always happens.
Should jinx it.
Oh, and another duplicate. Mickey Mouse. These are perfect to trade with other people in the park or cast members. Another duplicate. Is that Timothy Mouse again?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh, it's
Is it Clarabelle?
Clarabelle Cow.
Another duplicate.
Yep, that whole pack was a duplicate, huh?
Oh.
We'll see. Let's not be disappointed. This one will be a duplicate too. Let's see here.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, duplicate. That's Morty Mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Morty Mouse. One more pack. And Goofy.
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 No duplicate.
Dumbo.
Yay,
Yeah, we got a new
Dumbo.
one. That's a pretty pin. I like how the blue sky in the background.
Me too. That's another
Jimmy
duplicate.
Cricket duplicate.
Two
And
more.
2 more. So far to go.
Oh,
Can we get 4 more pins with the 2 pins left? What do you think the odds are in that?
there's Scrooge.
Another Scrooge. Perfect. One for me, one for trading. Unless Heidi wants one. She already
Okay.
has a Scrooge at home, so. And another, was that horse?
That's who we think.
Horse collar. I'll just say
collar.
Miss Horse Collar. So perfect. Let's see how many we got in the collection, Heidi.
Oh goodness.
Out of the 16,
There we go.
okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So who are we missing? Where's the bags, the boxes? Okay, so let's see here. We didn't get Pluto. And you know what? We didn't get, is it Humphrey the Bear? And it looks like we didn't get Minnie and Daisy. Looks like that's who we're missing. And Donald. We didn't get Donald either. Oh, well, okay. Well, that was fun. Let's see what else we have. Just move to the side.
Over.
Slide them over.
Okay. We're down to 2.
Okay.
Wait. This is a surprise one. Oh. How am I supposed to get into this thing?
Scissors. Handy dandy scissors. A box full of a bag. These may be some international pins I got. Let's see. Oh, they are. They're from the Vacation Club.
Oh my gosh.
Where's it from, it says?
What's this? Tokyo Disney Resort?
Perfect. Let's see what we got in there. So we got Monsters, Inc.
Oh my gosh.
and
these are
Minnie
so
with
cute.
a, looks like a Cinderella dress.
Yeah.
And what's this see on the Monsters, Inc. one? It says Monsters, Inc. Ride and Go Seek. And then on the mini one, it says Tokyo Disney Vacation Packages. So they look like little luggage pieces.
So cute.
That's cute. And I don't think they're limited edition. Let's see here. And then here's another Monsters Inc. with Stitch. And Monsters Inc. one says Ride and Go Seek. And then the other one says Vacation Package.
These are so cute.
Another Monsters Inc. But this one's different. It's got Donald and Daisy. And it says Ride and Go Seek again. So those are really cute dangle pins. I like the little boxes they come in. It looks like a little,
I do too.
like you're going on a vacation. And here's another Monsters Inc., but a different one this time next to it. That one's got Mickey and Pluto. And let's see what the back of it says. Tokyo Disney Resort Vacation Packages. Those are pretty cool. I like those. The next one
Oh, we're
is
missing
a single
one.
pin of Monsters Inc.
We have that pin. And this one is in its plastic.
It's a surprise. And this one is Monsters Inc. And then you got, is that Tower of Terror with Daisy and Donald.
Mike Wachowski.
Cool.
Cute. I really like those. Those are adorable. Okay, last one.
That's a big one.
Yeah, it is. Where to open it?
Don't hurt yourself. Why hasn't Heidi been in the videos lately? Well, the last video with the scissors. And these are, I'm pretty sure, some more international pins. And I pretty much wanted these because they had Scrooge in it. So these are
Do I take them out?
25th. Let's see if she stops moving it.
Sorry.
25th Tokyo Disney.
So that's all the pins for today. I did put some in my book for traders for when I get to Disney World. Super excited about that. I do want to give out a pin today, so make sure you like our video and subscribe and share, of course, if you have any other Disney friends that love pin trading. And the question will be today, in the movie Cinderella, Gus, what's his name? And then once you like and subscribe, we will contact you to reach out to send you a pin. Thank you guys. We had a wonderful time. We'll see you soon.
And remember, if you dream it, it could happen. Have a great day.